Hello, Unified Mentor.
Hi,
This
myself
is Prajwal.
Jishrelvani. I have
I completed
completed
my
my
3 months internship
internship with
training
Unified
on your
Mentor as
academy
a full
on
stack
the
web
domain of
development
machine
intern. It
learning,
was a great
where
learning
it's very
experience.
useful and
I got to
knowledgeable
work on
and
the
easy to
projects
understand
like
and very good exposure.
weather app,
And
which
also
uses
the
API
customer support
integration, or
or the
student
team
teacher
support from
booking
your place is
appointments,
very
which
quick
also
and
uses
efficiently.
Firebase and Cloud Firestore.
So what
I
I'm going
had
to tell is very
such a
useful plus me
great time
also.
working on
And
this
if you provide the
project, which
basic thing like
makes my knowledge
working with
or
real
my
world
theoretical
projects
knowledge
and is
work
very
into the
useful.
practical
So this
ones.
is very useful
It
internship
improved
program.
my
Thank
skills
you.
in HTML, CSS, JavaScript,
Hello,
and
Unified Mentor.
also I
This is
happened to
Prajwal.
learn new skills
I
like
completed
React,
my three
Node,
months internship
and
training
Firebase
on
as
your
well.
academy on the
I had
domain of
such a great time.
machine learning,
Overall, the
where it's very
mentors
useful
in
and
Unified Mentor are
knowledgeable
so
and easy to
supportive. Any
understand
doubts can
and
be
very good
solved if I
exposure.
message them or
And
call
also
them
the
in
customer
any time,
support or the
which
team
was a
support from
great thing
your
which
place is
makes
very
every
quick
task
and
easier.
efficiently.
Thank you,
So what
Unified
I'm going to tell
Mentor, for
is very
giving me
useful
this
plus me also.
opportunity, and I
And
will
if you provide
recommend
the
to all
basic
the students to
thing
gain the
like
work
working with real
experience
world
and the
projects
real
and is
life
very
experience
useful.
to this.
So this is
Thank
very
you.
useful internship